Okay, the today's topic is nothing but design the two-bit comparator. What do you mean by comparator? There is comparator is nothing but we have compared the two values. Okay, if suppose I am consider this is A, this is A, this is B. So if suppose A equal to 10 and B equal to 0.5. So who is greater than hmm,
10.
who? Yeah, 10 is greater than B or A is greater than B. If suppose A is 4 and B is 5, then what the
B is
conclusion?
greater than
Yes, the B is greater than A or A is less than B. If suppose both are equal, both are 5 5, then what the comparison is defined? Hmm. A is equal to B now.
yes, sir.
Huh. So in comparator, there are three outputs. How many outputs? In comparator, there are three outputs. Number one, first output, A is greater than B. Second output, A is equal to B. Third one is A less than B. Understood? These three are the output in the comparator. Okay. Now we are consider these A and B are a one bit. Suppose A is a one bit, B is a another bit. A is a one bit and B is a another one bit. Now I am going to compare these two bit. How we compare these two bit? Suppose A equal to 0 and B equal to 0. What is the output? What is the output?
A equal to B.
Yes, the output is nothing but A equal to B. If suppose A equal to 0, B equal to 1, what is the output? Hmm?
A
A
is less
equal,
than B.
yes, A is less than B. Now A is 1, B is 0. What is the output?
A is greater than B.
Yes, A is greater than B. Now suppose A is 1, B is also 1. What is the output?
A equal to B.
A equal to B. Yes, A equal to B. So this is a one beta comparator. Okay. If suppose now I am going to define the two-bit comparator. Here we will define. If suppose it is A1, this is a A2, and there is a B1, and here is a B2, and here our output, our output we define. Okay. If suppose I am going to define A and A1 and A2 consider as 0 0, and B1 and B2 is also considered as a 0 0. What is the output?
0.
Here also the A1 A2 are the group of A. Here B1 B2 are a group of B. Here A1 A2 is considered for A, and here B1 B2 is considered for B. Okay. So now I am conclude here That is A is equal to B. Now I am conclude what? The A equal to B. If suppose A is equal to 1 and 0, here B 0 and here 1. That is A2 equal to 1, A1 equal to 0, and B2 equal to 0, B1 equal to 1. What is the output? Tell me what is the output? Hmm?
A equal to B.
Why? I am defined previously. We are the compare the value of A and the value of B. Here the value of A is what? What is the binary value of this decimal value? This is a binary value. Decimal value 10 means what? 10 means
2.
the 10 means what? Is a 2. And here 01 means what?
1.
01 means 1. So who is the greater than?
A is greater than B.
Yes, here A is greater than B. Listen carefully. Whenever we are consider A, and in that there are variables A1, A2, A3, A4, and whenever we are consider B and their variable B1, B2, B3, then we have to consider the whole value, not a bit. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, if suppose here is consider suppose 0, 1 is there, and here is consider 1, 1 is there, and who is greater than?
A is less than B.
Very good. There here A is less than B. Okay. If suppose here I am writing that is 1 consider 0, and here also we are consider 1 and here 0. What is the output?
A equal to
Here
B.
is, yeah, here is 2, here is also 2. So the answer will be A equal to B. Understood? Are
Yes, sir.
you understood the concept of comparison?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we forget about these things. We will look afterwards the 2-bit comparator. First of all, we are concentrate on 1-bit comparator. Okay. How many outputs are there? How many outputs are there?
3.
Yeah, it is a 3 outputs are there. So if suppose I am going to define one block which is considered for the comparator, and here I am taking where it is here I am taking there are one input, the one input value, and I am taking there are some another input. Okay, and this is my comparator system. I am going to consider this is my comparator. Okay, this is my comparator, and here this is my input word which is A, and here the input word which is considered B, and this bus is considered the number of bit. This bus is considered n, that is considered as a small n. Small n means what? This A having a n number of bit. This A having a n number of bit. Okay, this A is having n number of bit. Now I am going to move upward. Okay, this is a one, this is a another, The n is considered for A. Now here also the second input is B, and this B is also having a n number of bit. N, small n, number of bit, small n number of bit. That means we are consider. That means we are consider here comparator having a two variable input which consider n number of bit A and n number of bit B, and we taken the output and we taken the output how much? 1. Then how much output is present into the comparator? How much output present into the comparator? किती येतं?
3, sir.
Yes,
sir.
there are 3 comparators. Here we are considered, suppose I am going to here, right? Here I am considered A is less than B. Here A is equal to B, and here A is greater than B. So these are the three outputs are there. 2 input variable, 3 output we conclude. Okay. कळतंय का शिकवलेलं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हा, हे काय
Yes,
झालं
sir.
तुमचे इनपुट, बरोबर आहे, आणि इथं काय झालं, हे काय झालं तुमचं आउटपुट. समजतंय? मग आता मला काय करायचं आहे, माझं काय आहे एम, डिझाईन 2 बीट कंपॅरेटर. 2 बीट पेक्षा आपण पहिला कन्सिडर करू 1 बीट कंपॅरेटर. First of all, we have to consider 1 bit comparator. So there is a 1 bit for A, there is another bit for B, and we have to compare this, and we define the output. So define the truth table for comparator. Define the truth table for comparator. How we compare? Let's see the truth table. Here the input variable A, first variable A, second variable B. These two are the input. Okay, this is my input. I am here making the bracket. And what is the output? What are the output? Tell me, what are the output?
A is greater than B. A equal to B. A is less than B.
Very good. Output are first A is less than B, then A equal to B, and third one is A greater than B. Okay, so this is my output. Now tell me the truth. We have to define the truth table. Huh? This is A 0, B is 0. What is the output?
A equal to B.
Yes, the A equal to B. So we are consider output A equal to B is 1. Okay, output A equal to B equal to 1. If suppose A is 0, B is 1, what is my output?
A is greater than B.
Yes,
A is less than
A is
B.
less than or greater than?
Less than B.
Yes, A is less than B. Then 1, 0,
A is greater than
A is greater than B. Then 1, 1,
A equal to B.
A equal to B. The rest of all are considered as a 0. So we are consider rest of all are considered as a 0. So this is my truth table. This is my truth table. So now depends on this truth table, we are going to depends on this truth table, we are going to design the combinational circuit for comparator. Now we have a input, we have a output, then the first step is nothing but take one output as a K-map. There are two variables, so I am consider K-map for two variable. B is here, so B and B bar. बरोबर है? And here A bar and A. There are two variables, so I found the K-map. Okay. Now I am going to write the equation for A is less than B. That is equal to. Tell me the equation.
0 1 0 0.
Here is 0. This is 1. 1 0 0 1 1 0. ओके. बघा 0 0 ला 0 आहे. 0 1 ला 1 आहे. 1 0 ला 0 1 1 ला 0. मग इक्वेशन काय येणार आहे?
A bar B.
Yes, the equation equal to A bar B. Equation equal to A bar B. Now the second for equation A and B. Now here I am going to write this is A, this is A bar, this is B bar, and this is B. Okay. Here 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Now tell me the equation for
A bar B bar plus AB.
yes. So we are consider here A equal to B. A equal to B. I am writing here that is equal to. Output is A equal to B for the equation. So A bar B bar plus AB. कळतंय का सगळ्यांना काय चाललंय ते?
Yes, sir.
आता कुणासाठी बघतो आपण? तिसऱ्यासाठी. इथं लिहा B B that is bar, that is A bar, that is A. इक्वेशन कुणासाठी लिहायचे आता?
A is greater than B.
Yes, A is greater than now the third last equation that is A is greater than B. For last equation we are consider A bar. Okay. I'm going to write here. Okay. And here is consider B and B bar. Tell me the equation for A is greater than B. It is 0. This is 1. A is greater than B ला हे ना हे this is 0, this is 0, this is 1 and this is 0. Equation, tell me the equation.
A B bar.
Yes, A B bar. A B bar. Now we get the three equation for the three output. We have a three output. Using K-map, we get the three output equation. Now we will design the K-map. Sorry, we will design the combinational circuit. Here, how much inputs are there? How much inputs are there?
Two inputs.
Yes, there are two inputs. So I am here consider A and second is considered as a B. So this is for A and this is for B. Now I am going to take some basic basic component which is we required into the designing circuit. Okay, so I am going to define the some circuit, some designing that is basic NOT gate, AND gate, and OR gate. So first equation, what is first equation? A is less than B. What is the output of A is less than B? A bar
A bar.
B. So that we require one NOT gate here. We require one NOT gate here. Okay, this is a NOT gate. I am connecting this NOT gate to the A. So here I get a bar. Here I get a bar. Okay. Now the second is B. In between what? In between dot product is there. Okay. So I required one AND gate here. I require one AND gate here and I am going to attach that B. So here I get the output. Here I get the output that is A bar B. What the output? What is the output? A bar B. That is equal to what? Equal to what? A is less than B. Right? This is our output. This is my output. The first output. Okay, I achieve first output here. Now going to second output. What is my second output? A is equal to B. Here you can observe,
A square.
here you can observe this equation is nothing but this equation A bar B bar plus AB is nothing but A XOR A XOR
X nor sir.
XNOR, sorry. A XNOR A XNOR B. Here I get this equation is nothing but A XNOR B. So I am going to define one XNOR gate here. Copy here, paste. This is my XNOR gate. Okay. Okay, this is my XNOR gate. I am going to bubble this also. Okay, this is my XNOR gate. So I am going to attach A here. This is A. I am going to attach for XNOR gate. And similarly, the another one is considered for B. So now I get the output. What is my output?
A bar, B bar plus AB.
Yes, A bar B bar plus AB. A bar B bar plus AB, that is equal to what is my
A
output?
equal to B.
Yes, that is equal to A equal to B. This is my output. Okay. Now the third output is for A is greater than B. Okay. For A is greater than B, what is output? A dot B bar. A dot B bar. So I am going to define this NOT gate for B. NOT gate for B. Okay. This is my NOT gate. I am going to make some adjustment here. NOT gate for B. And in between there is a AND gate. So I am going to attach this is a AND gate. And this is for A. This is for A and this is for B. Okay. And here I take the output. Here I take the output. What is my output? A B
B
bar.
bar.
A B bar. That is equal to,
A is greater than B.
yes, A is greater than B. Are you able to understand this?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is
Yes,
my
sir.
comparator. This is my comparator. This is my comparator, which is considered one bit comparator. What is this? This is a one bit comparator. कळतंय का?
Yes, sir.
समजतंय का?
Yes,
कळालं?
sir.
कळालं? आता 2 bit comparator करायचं असेल तर सॉरी, how we define the 2 bit comparator? Here the input is defined and then output we have to define. Here I am going to define the input and here I am going to define the output. मग आता 2 bit comparator कन्सिडर केला, मग म्हणजेच काय कन्सिडर करतो आपण? ए किती असायला पाहिजे? ए चे व्हेरिएबल ए चे व्हेरिएबल किती असायला पाहिजे? ए चे व्हेरिएबल आणि बी चे व्हेरिएबल किती असायला पाहिजे?
Two.
ए व्हेरिएबल किती आणि बी व्हेरिएबल किती? इथं ए व्हेरिएबल किती होतं?
Sir.
1 बिट कंपॅरेटर मध्ये ए व्हेरिएबल किती होतं?
One variable. One.
In 1 bit comparator, the A variable consider only 1 bit. Here, the 2 bit comparator, how much A variable? There are
Two.
2. If we are consider A0 and A1. And for B, is consider B0 and B1. कळतंय का?
Yes, sir.
समजतंय का? समजतंय का?
Yes, sir.
ओके. मग हा झाला तुमचा इनपुट पार्ट. मग आता मला सांगा आउटपुट पार्ट किती असतील?
Three.
Yes, output part is 3. Which are they?
A is greater than B. A is equal to B. A is less than B.
Very good. A is greater than B. A is greater than B. Then A is equal to B. Then A is less than B. बरोबर आहे? समजतंय का?
Yes, sir.
समजत नसेल तर विचारा. उगी बसू नका निवांत. So now I am going to define this is my two-bit comparator truth table. Okay, this is my truth table for two-bit comparator. आता two-bit comparator आपण कसं डिफाईन करतो बघा. तुम्ही केमॅप काढा आणि तुम्ही मला आउटपुट सांगा. So 0 0 0 0. What is the output?
A equal to B.
Yes, the A equal to B. 0 0 0 1.
A is less than B.
A is less than B. Very good. Now 0 0 0 sorry 1 0.
A is less than B.
A is less than B. Very good. 0 0 1 1.
A is less than B.
A is less than B. 0 1 0 0.
A is greater than B.
Very good. A is greater than B. 0 1 0 1.
A equal to B.
Yes, there is a equal to B. Hmm. 0 1 1 0. सांगा.
A is less than B.
A is less than B. नक्की?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 0 1 1 1.
A is less than
A is less than B. Very good. 0 1 sorry. Here 1 0 0 0.
A is greater than B.
A is greater than B. 1 0 0 1. सांगा.
A is greater than B.
A is greater than B. कळते का बाकीच्यांना? 1 0 1 0.
A equal to B.
A equal to B. 1 0 1 1.
A is less than B.
Yes, very good. 1 1 0 0.
A is greater than B.
A is greater than B. Very good. 1 1 0 1.
A is greater than B.
Very good. And next is 1 1 1 0.
A is greater than B.
A is greater than B. Very good. 1 1 1 1.
A equal to B.
A equal to B. Very good. Great. Great answers. ओके. आता हा झाला तुमचा केमॅप तयार झाला. हे सगळे काय झाले आता? हे सगळे 0 झाले ना? सॉरी.
Yes, sir.
So these are all are considered as a 0. Okay. So this is a 0. I am going to make this all rest of all are considered as a 0. Okay. Now I am going to define this KMAP for this. KMAP for this. How to write the KMAP for this? How much input variable? How much input variable? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 input variable. So make the two, this two and this two. Here I am going to write a A1, A0 bar. Then A1, A0,
A1 bar A0, A1 A0, A1 A0 bar.
A1, A0 and A1, A0 bar. Okay. So here I am going to take these two. Here B1, B0 bar.
Bar.
Very good. Here B1, B0, B1 bar, B0, B1, B0, B1, B0 bar. Okay. And this is my KMF structure. This is my KMF structure. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
मग आता कुणाचं इक्वेशन काढायचं? ए इज ग्रेटर दॅन बीचं काढू आपण. कुणाचं काढायचं? ए इज ग्रेटर दॅन बी. सांगा. 0, 0, 0, 0 असताना काय आहे?
0.
0.
0 आहे. सांगा 0 हा काय आहे? 0 हा 0 हा 0 हा 1 हा
1.
0 हा 0 हा 0
0.
then this is 1 this is 1 8 ला 1 आहे ना 1 0 0 0 ला 1 1 0 0 1 ला पण 1 this is 1 then 10 11 0 0 okay next वर गेला का नेक्स्ट काय आहे 12 1 1 0
1.
0 ला 1 then
1.
here also 1 then here 1
1.
and here
1.
last is 0 na
0.
so this is my K-map structure. Now tell me the equation for this. Tell me the equation for this.
A1, B1 bar B0.
Very good. पहिला हे फॉर्म करा बघू. हा एक येईल बरोबर आहे. नंतर नंतर काय येणार आहे अजून एक
A1,
हाय
B1 bar.
पहिला ग्रुपेशन करून घ्या. काय येतोय असं make a group of this. Okay, make this one and this one. Okay, so पहिला या चौघांचा घ्या. Take this. सांगायचं इक्वेशन सांगायचं.
A1, B1 bar.
A1 B1 bar
Plus A0, B1 bar B0.
प्लस हे घेत आहे का हे आडवं घेत आहे
उभं
उभं
सर.
घेत आहे
Yes, sir.
पुढे काय
A
घेणार
zero
इथं?
B1 bar B0.
A0 B1 बार B0 बार. ओके. पुढं प्लस आडवा घ्या.
A1 A0 B0 bar.
A1 B0 B0 बार. कळतंय का सगळ्यांना? आहेत की नाही सगळे गेले? आहेत ना?
Yes, sir.
आता नेक्स्ट हे झालं एकाचं. व्हॉट इज नेक्स्ट फॉर सेकंड? What is for
A equal to
second?
B.
Yes, that is A equal to B. So we take the A equal to B. 0, 0, 0 ला काय आहे? 1. So put 1. Then 0. And 0. Then 0. This is 0. Okay? Then this is also 0. This one is 1. Then this 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 1, 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0 ला 1. पुढं इथं 0. हा पण 0. हा पण 0. This is 0. This one is 1. कळतंय? समजतंय
Yes,
का?
sir.
मग आता हे काय करणार? सांगा. इक्वेशन प्रत्येक
Separate.
ग्रुप होत आहे का ह्याच्यामध्ये? ग्रुप होऊ
No,
शकत
sir.
नाही.
No, sir.
There is not possible in, so we have to take the separate. We have to take a separate. Okay? We have to take a separate individual value. Tell me the individual value for each and every. Tell me.
A1 bar A0 bar.
Equation. Very good. That
B1
is
bar
A
B0.
equal to B. That is equal to. A1 bar, A0 bar, B1 bar, sorry,
B0.
B1 bar, B0 bar. All are bar.
Yes, sir.
A1, A0, B1, B0. Next, plus. For this,
A1 bar A0 B1 bar B0.
very good. A1 bar, A0, B1 bar, B0. Plus, for this,
A1
A1,
A0
A1
B1
A0.
very good. घाबरायचं नाही आन्सर द्यायला, लगेच देऊन मोकळं व्हायचं. सांगा याचं.
A1 A0 bar B1 B0.
A0 bar,
B0 bar.
B1, B1, B0 bar. A0 and B1. bar. Okay, so this is our equation for A equal to B. समजतंय का?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next is, what is the next? आता मी याला थोडं बाजूला काढून ठेवतो म्हणजे तुम्हाला दिसावं म्हणून. ओके, कळणार नाही तुम्हाला. Okay, the last equation. What is the last? A is less than B. Tell me for this.
0 1
Hmm.
1 1
Very good. 0, 1, 1, 1,
0 0 1 1
0, 0, 1, 1,
0 0 1 0
0, 0, it's 0, it's 1.
0 0 0 0
बाकी सगळे 0, 0. This is 0, 0, sorry. 0, 0, 0, 0. ओके. मग परत इथं काय असणार आहे? परत ग्रुप करा. या चौघांचा ग्रुप.
Yes, sir.
ओके.
A1 bar
दिस इज
B1
सांगा इक्वेशन इक्वल टू
A1 bar B1
A1 बार B1
plus A1 bar A0 bar B0
हे झालं एकाचं. आता दुसरा इक्वेशन घ्या. दुसरा इक्वेशन कुठला घेताय? हा घेताय?
1 1 हाँ सर
येस. मध्ये so this is the second equation for A1 bar A0 bar
B0
B0.
plus A0 bar B1 B0
Very good. प्लस आता कुणाचं घ्यायचा? एक खाली
1
एक वर
1
आहे बघा.
yes
हा
sir
इक्वेशन आणि आणि हा इक्वेशन. ओके. याच्यामध्ये काय येणार? यामध्ये A1 बार जातो, A0 बार राहतो आणि B1 B0. बरोबर आहे ना?
yes sir
ओके. सो वी गॉट द सम आउटपुट. आता या आउटपुटमध्ये बघा काय काय चेंज होऊ शकतं. पहिल्या आउटपुटमध्ये काय चेंज होऊ शकतं का? ए इज लेस दॅन बी याच्यामध्ये काय चेंजेस होऊ शकतात का? नाही होऊ शकत. ए इज ग्रेटर दॅन बी याच्यामध्ये काय चेंजेस होऊ शकतात का?
yes sir
काय चेंज होऊ शकतं? काहीच चेंज होऊ शकत नाही. कारण की आपण सगळं काढलेलं आहे. आता ह्याच्यामध्ये बघा, इथं बघा, इथं काय आहे? इथं काही गोष्टी चेंजेस होऊ शकतात. ओके. कशामध्ये? या दोघांमध्ये. कळतंय का?
yes sir
या दोघांमध्ये काहीतरी गोष्टी चेंज होऊ शकतात.
yes sir
काय काय गोष्टी चेंज होतात ते बघूया आपण.
A1 bar A0 bar B1 bar B0 bar
काय काय चेंजेस होऊ शकतात? आता याच्यामध्ये थोड्या गोष्टी कॉमन काढूया. कॉमन काढल्या की आपल्याला काय मिळेल? थोडे इक्वेशन मॉडिफिकेशन मिळेल. काय मिळेल? इक्वेशन मॉडिफाईड मिळेल. कसं कॉमन काढणार? बघा याच्यामध्ये A1 बार A0 बार B1 बार B0 बार आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे? A1 बार A0 B1 बार B0. याच्यामध्ये या दोघांमध्ये कोण कॉमन निघतील? या दोघांमध्ये कोण कॉमन
1
निघतील?
bar B1 bar
व्हेरी गुड. आपण कॉमन काढूया. A1 बार B0 सॉरी B1 बार कॉमन काढला. A1 बार कॉमन काढला, B0 कॉमन काढला, B1 बार राहतो काय? A0 आणि B0 कळतंय का? प्लस
sir.
A0 B0 बार. बघा काय कॉमन काढलं आपण, प्लस. बरोबर आहे का? यामधून आपण काय
Yes, sir.
काढलो, A1 बार कॉमन काढला आणि B1 बार कॉमन काढला. मग राहतो काय याच्यामध्ये, A0 बार इथं राहिला, B0 बार इथं राहिला. आणि याच्यामध्ये काय झालं, A0 आणि B0 राहिला. पुढं आता या दोघांमध्ये काय कॉमन काढायचं आहे, A1
A1
B1.
B1.
येस, या दोघांमध्ये आपण काढू A1 B1 कॉमन काढू. मग राहतो काय, A0
B0 plus
B0,
A0 B0.
A0 B0 प्लस A0 बार B0 बार. समजते का?
Yes, sir.
कळालं? आता बघा,
Yes.
आता मी काय कन्सिडर होतो, हे इक्वेशन पूर्ण बघा. हे इक्वेशन मध्ये काय आहे, इथं A0 बार B0 बार, इथं पण A0 बार B0 बार प्लस A0 B0, इथं पण A0 B0, म्हणजे हा पूर्ण ब्रॅकेट इथं रिपीट झालाय.
Yes, sir.
माझी प्लस आहे. मी असं पण लिहू शकतो ना, ए प्लस बी लिहा किंवा बी प्लस ए लिहा. दोघांचा अर्थ काय आहे, सेमच ना.
Yes, sir.
मग इथं बघा, मी या दोन्ही ब्रॅकेट एकच कॉमन काढलं तर काय मिळेल मला, हा पूर्ण ब्रॅकेट कॉमन काढला मी, A0 B0 बार प्लस A0 B0, हा पूर्ण ब्रॅकेट मी काय केला, कॉमन काढला. कळालं? कॉमन
Yes, sir.
काढल्यावर काय झालं,
Yes, sir.
हा पूर्ण ब्रॅकेट
A1
कॉमन काढला तर
B1
काय
plus
झालं, हा पूर्ण ब्रॅकेट कॉमन काढला, राहतो काय,
A1
A1,
B1 bar plus A1 B1.
व्हेरी गुड, A1 B1 बार प्लस A1 B1, हा पूर्ण ब्रॅकेट कॉमन निघेल. समजलं?
Yes, sir.
नीट बघा. मग याच्यामध्ये आता बघा, हे म्हणजे काय याचं, ए तुमचा ए बार बी
So
बार
X
प्लस ए बी बार, म्हणजे इथं काय लिहिणार मी, A0
X nor
एक्स नॉर
B0.
सॉरी एक्स नॉर B0, बरोबर आहे.
Yes, sir. Plus
ओके. आता या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये बघा, या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये पण तसंच आहे ना, A1
X
B1 B1 A1, म्हणून इथं पण मी काय लिहू शकतो, A1 एक्स नॉर ऑफ B1. कळालं?
Yes, sir.
समजलं? मग आता आपण काय करायचं आहे, डायग्राम तयार करायचं. काय करायचं, डायग्राम. मग आपण इथे डायग्राम काढूया, मी याला पिवळं करतो. So these are my variable. What are my input variable? B0, B1, A0, A1. ओके. मग आता A1 साठी मी एक लाईन काढली, A0 साठी एक लाईन काढली, B0 साठी एक लाईन अँड B1 साठी. ओके. So these are my lines. फर्स्ट काय करायचं आहे, पहिला इक्वेशन घ्या ए बार. आता अजून जर तुम्हाला कॉम्प्लिकेशन वाटत असेल तर तुम्ही काय करता, तुम्ही अजून एक एक लाईन इन्सर्ट करू शकता. तुम्ही काय करा, एक एक लाईन अजून इन्सर्ट करा. आता एक एक लाईन्स अजून इन्सर्ट का करायचे, कारण मला हा बार आहे, या ए बार बी बार आहे ना इथं, मग मी काय करतो याच्यामध्येच नॉट गेट लावतो. काय करतोय मी, याच्यामध्येच नॉट गेट लावतो. आता हा मी घेतला नॉट गेट हिअर, समजा हा नॉट गेट घेतला मी कॉपी आणि मी इथं घेतो आहे. ठीक आहे, ओके. हा जर मी इथं नॉट गेट लावला तर काय होईल सांगा बघू. हा मी नॉट गेट इथं लावला तर काय होणार आहे,
A1 bar.
यस. मी या नॉट गेटला जर मी इथं लावला तर माझं हा जो आहे ना, हा काय झाला माझा आता A1 बार झाला. समजतंय, हा माझा A1 बार झाला. कळतंय का. मग हा
Yes,
इथं
sir.
Yes, sir.
इथं जर मी नॉट गेट लावला तर काय होईल,
A0 bar.
यस. इथं नॉट गेट लावला तर
B1 bar.
B1 bar.
व्हेरी गुड. आणि जर मी इथं नॉट गेट लावला तर
B0 bar.
व्हेरी गुड. मग मी काय करतो, सगळ्यांना इनपुट देऊन टाकतो. ओके, म्हणजे माझा आता हे A1 ची लाईन आणि ही लाईन कुठली आहे, A1 बारची लाईन. ही A0 ची लाईन आणि हा A0 बारची लाईन. दिस इज माय B1 बार and this is my B0 बार. ओके, समजतंय.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
शॉर्ट म्हणजे हे आपल्याला काय होणार आहे, पुढं आपल्याला फायदा होतो. प्रत्येक वेळेस नॉट गेट लावायची गरज नाही, डायरेक्ट इथूनच घेतलं तरी चालतंय. आता सांगा, आता पहिला इक्वेशन काय आहे तुमचं, A1 बार B1, दोघांमध्ये काय आहे अँड गेट. सो टेक वन अँड गेट हिअर, टेक वन अँड गेट फ्रॉम हिअर, अटॅच हिअर. ओके, थोडं ॲडजस्टमेंट करतो मी म्हणजे तुम्हाला व्यवस्थित दिसावं म्हणून. हां, A1 बार B1, A1 बार कुठे, इथे घ्या, लावा डायरेक्ट A1 ला. A1 बार आलं, पुढं काय B1. टेक वन अनदर लाईन, दॅट इज दिस इज माय B1. कनेक्ट दिस. ओके, देन A1 बार, A0 बार आणि B0. टेक द लाईन्स A1 बार, right, I am taking one another AND gate here. Okay. काय आहे A1 बार, this is my A1 बार. Then A0 बार, then A0 बार, then B0 बार, sorry B0, then make it B0. Okay, take one another AND gate here. What is A0 bar, A1 B1. Take A0 bar here. Then B1 This is my B1 and B0 and B0. And all equations are in OR gate. So take one OR gate from here. Take it this, consider here. This is my OR gate. Attach all the okay. Okay. So this is my A. This is my A is less than B. Okay का? Hello.
येस सर
Yes, sir.
दोन एक्सप्लोर आणि वन अँड गेट करून पण करू शकते ना
चालतो की करू शकतो
Yes,
तसं
sir.
पण तुम्ही
ओके सर
इक्वेशन सॉल्व केलं तर होत आहे. आता याचं इक्वेशन काय आहे? ए इक्वल टू बी एक्स नॉर आहे. आपल्याकडे आहे ना एक्स नॉर इथे? घ्या एक्स नॉर.
केले
I
सर
am going to make this x not here, not here. काय आहे? एक्स नॉर दोन एक्स नॉर लागणार आहेत आपल्याला, म्हणून दोन एक्स नॉर घेतलं. आणि दोन एक्स नॉरच्या मध्ये काय आहे?
अँड गेट
येस, दोन एक्स नॉरच्या मध्ये काय आहे? अँड गेट. मी काय घेतलं? एक अँड गेट इथं. कळालं? लावा A0 B0. पहिला A0 कुठे आहे? इथे A0 आहे. लावा त्याला. B0 कुठे आहे? इथे आहे. घ्या B0 लावायला. Then A1, where is my A1? My A1 is here. Then B1, my B1 is here. I make the attachment of B1 and then connect to the AND gate here. Second from here to here. Okay? And this is my this is my
ए इज लेस दॅन बी
A is equal to B. Equal to B आहे ना?
येस ए इक्वल टू बी
Yes, sir.
मग आता परत थोडं वाढवा खाली, तुम्हाला जर जास्त हे करायचं असेल तर. ओके. I am making some lines extended. Okay. So what is the last equation? My last equation is nothing but
फर्स्ट ए इक्वल टू बी
here.
ए इक्वल टू बी से तुम्ही ए इज लेस दॅन बी लिहिला
कुठे? हे
वर
हे
येस सर
दिस इज A is लेस दॅन बी. बरोबर आहे की A is लेस दॅन बी या इक्वेशनचं काढलं आपण हे. This is my first equation na. I am making the blue.
Yes, sir.
This is my first equation. Okay. आणि x नॉट साठी आपण काय केलंय? A equal to B. I am making the orange. So x naught is considered my orange stuff. Now I am going to make the A is a
ग्रेटर दॅन बी
yes, A is greater than B. Tell me, what is the AND gate we required? One AND gate, 1, 2, 3. 3 AND gate we required. Okay. We require 3 AND gate because here is 1, 2, and 3 equations are there. So we require 3 AND gate. Here A and B1 bar. So first we have to define the A. Where is my A? This is my A. connect this A to here, then B1, A1, B0. This is my B1. Okay. Then next is A0. So my A0 is here. I connect here. Then B1. B1 bar is there. B1 bar is here. This is my B1 bar. Then B0. Then B0 here. This is my B0. Okay. Then A1, the third AND gate A1 is required. So take the A1 is also from here. A1. Then A0. This is from A0. And then B0 bar. And this is a B0 bar. Okay. And here we attach one OR gate. That is OR gate I am taking here. This is my OR gate. Make the connection of OR gate. The first AND gate here. The second AND gate from here. And the third one. Okay. And this is my output. What is my
A
output?
is greater than B.
Yes. The output is nothing but A is greater than B. This is my output. I am making the green color. So this is also my output, making the green color. Are you able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now this circuit is called as 2-bit
Combination of subdivision of
comparator. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we will stop here. Okay. कळत नसेल तर विचारा. लक्ष्मी, श्वेता आणि ऋतुजा. कळत असेल तर प्रॅक्टिस करा. खूप इझी आहे, पण प्रॅक्टिस केल्यावरच समजतं. काय?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.